Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over this new 2021 Mercedes C300 sedan. It's in black color, as you see. It's got a very beautiful look, a very elegant look. You see the lights, the indicator lights, the hazard lights. um, if we see from the side, look at the alloy wheels. They are star shaped. They are really amazing. I really love the shape of the alloy wheels. This is a brand new car. Just got out of the showroom like 10 minutes ago. So coming to the back side of the car, look at this. So it's, as it says C300, the number of the car, it has got dual silencers. It's 4MATIC. I love the shape of the lights, the headlights, the indicator lights, and even it's daylight right now, so you won't be able to figure out much about the headlights, but they are turned on, and those are very, very powerful actually. They got 8 LED lights in each side. You see those? Now, just a quick look before we go and sit inside. Okay. If you look at this car now from inside, it has got a left-hand drive because we are in United States at the moment. So this car, if you see, this is standard of Mercedes. You might not see this with any other car, that how the seat adjustment happens. This is for the headrest. This is for the backrest, like you move it out front and back. And this is for the seat if you want to move it forward or backwards. It's got a speaker over there. All the controls for the windows, lock, unlock, open, adjustment. Now let's sit inside. So look at this interior, the steering. It has lot of controls over here on the steering itself. So we'll go one by one in this video. So if you see on the left side, it's got you can set up the cruise control. You can turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can set it where you want to, and then you can increase or decrease the speed within the cruise control using these up and down buttons. You can go to the home button and it's going to show the display over there. So if we do this, it's going to give me options what I want to see. And now if I use this joystick over here, it's going to keep moving the options that are available over there. I guess you can see the distance with the trip information, navigation, radio, media, phone, designs. I really like the finish of everything within the car. These are the volume buttons on the right side. You can pick up the call. You can again go to the home button. There's a joystick here which controls the display. It's got a beautiful display now. So you see the display, it is beautiful. I can control the display using this setup over here. If I click on the home screen, it will take me to the home screen. These are the air vents. Again, the buttons over here to control the temperature, the climate thing. It's got an amazing clock over here as well, unlike a digital one. I love the analog one. And if you see here, there's a cigarette lighter. I just want to show you, I don't know if you can see from here, but even The clock is also Mercedes. You can see the logo over there. It's got a cup holder for 2 cups. These are the keys of the car. And now again, this is the joystick. Again, you can control a lot of things with this. I can rotate it, and accordingly this is gonna move. I have a pad here. If I want to type something, maybe put in my address and navigation, I can use this. And you can see how beautiful everything is within the car. I'm just loving. So it has got this console over here on the top. You can turn on the lights within this car, and it's got a panoramic roof, which we are just going to see. We will show you this from outside too. So look at the panoramic roof. It extends towards the back seat as well. I can see the beautiful sky from within the car. So let's open the moonroof as well and see the view. You see how it opens. It has got a lot of room for the passengers in the back as well, and even for the front. So pretty spacious. I'm just loving that. That's one thing you want to see, like this one over here. From that, let's show you the real camera. Let's turn this volume down. So look at the clarity of the rear view camera. It has got 2 different views. One is this, and that's the entire background, or I just want to limit to the back side of the car. And again, we are outside. I want to show you one thing here. This logo of Mercedes on the bonnet says Mercedes-Benz. It just got an elegant look. Look at this. I'm gonna love this toy, drive it, and enjoy it. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you.